Number 1.
1993 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,000, shows about 170,000 miles and features an automatic transmission, a white exterior, and a gray interior. Powered by a 350 small block 5.7L engine with 2WD, it offers a solid platform for anyone wanting to make this classic their own. Reconditioned in 2020, the truck has received several updates, including new exterior lights, updated mirrors, extended exhaust pipes, Toyo tires with Krager rims, with the original rims and covers included, and refreshed interior components such as new carpet, headliner, steering wheel, and LED interior lighting. It also comes with Bluetooth, a smart sync stereo, a new signal switch with cruise control, a bed liner, retractable sidewall bed anchors, and recent mechanical improvements including a newer starter and updated brake lines.
Number 2.
1994 Ford F150, price $9,500, with only 54,000 original miles on the odometer. It comes with an automatic transmission, runs on gasoline, and features a gray exterior paired with a red interior. The truck is powered by a 4.9L inline-6 engine and is a 2WD model. The owner still has the original window sticker and factory booklets, and the truck has received numerous new parts, including 2024 Bronco wheels and tires, fresh paint, new light assemblies, and fully renewed brake components. Additional updates include a new exhaust system, shocks, fuel tank and pump, injectors, battery, and various sensors. At the moment, the truck has a slight engine miss attributed to the ECU.
Although the ECU has been rebuilt and the issue has improved, it still needs a good used replacement unit.
Despite this, the truck drives without any major problems and comes with a clean title.
Number 3.
1998 GMC Sierra 1500, price $10,000, comes with an automatic transmission and a red exterior, and it has accumulated around 195,000 miles over its lifetime. As a 4x4 truck, its high-low system is fully operational, and despite its age, it still runs and drives reliably. However, the brakes would benefit from some maintenance, and the transmission is due for a flush to keep it performing smoothly. The left rear tire has a slow leak, which is likely caused by an issue with the beadlock. Having spent most of its life in Pennsylvania and New York, the truck shows some expected rust in various areas, but nothing unusual for a vehicle from those regions. It also comes with a collection of extra parts, including a spare grille, both driver and passenger doors, replacement rockers, and additional components that add value for anyone looking to maintain or restore the truck.
Number 4.
1990 Ford F250, price $8,950. The truck being offered features a 7.5L V8 engine with dual gas tanks and comes equipped with a matching shell. It starts up immediately, runs smoothly, and offers cold air conditioning. The truck has an actual mileage of 89,370 miles and rides very well, with the only notable flaw being some visible body damage as shown in the photos. It is fitted with a Kenwood head unit along with 2 subwoofers mounted under the seat, providing phone pairing capability for convenience. The truck is also equipped with an electronic trailer brake system and includes a matching louvered fifth-wheel tailgate, power windows, power door locks, and a full truck cover.
Number 5.
1991 Chevrolet S10, price $6,000, shows 191,000 miles and comes equipped with an automatic transmission, finished in a clean gray exterior paired with a black interior that suits its classic compact truck character. Powered by the reliable 4.3L V6 engine, the truck runs like a champ and demonstrates strong mechanical health for its age. The owner has kept it well maintained, recently completing a fresh tune-up along with the installation of a new battery and a new starter, ensuring smooth and dependable starts. Its sunroof is fully functional, adding an extra touch of convenience and appeal, while the adjustable shocks provide better ride comfort and allow for fine-tuned handling depending on driving preferences.
Number 6.
1980 Chevrolet Luv, price $8,500. The truck has recently received a full tune-up, including the installation of a new fuse box and a freshly rebuilt carburetor, which together ensure that it runs smoothly and reliably. According to the owner, the vehicle performs impressively for its age and remains mechanically strong. Adding to its appeal, this Luv is being offered by its second long-term owner, who has had the truck since 1986. This nearly 4 decades of continuous ownership highlights its consistent maintenance history and the level of personal care the vehicle has received. Overall, it is presented as a clean, dependable classic truck with updated components and a well-documented background, and excellent find for collectors or anyone seeking a vintage compact pickup with genuine character.
Number 7.
1990 Ford F150, price $6,000, powered by a 5.0 V8 engine with 4x4 capability. This short bed truck offers strong performance, and its automatic overdrive transmission delivers smooth and reliable shifting. The air conditioning is fully functional, and it also features power windows and power locks, adding to the truck's everyday convenience. It rides on oversized mud-terrain tires paired with Alcoa-style wheels, giving it a rugged and confident stance. There are no check engine lights present, and the truck is currently registered under P&O status. Since the owner has not attempted to smog it, the vehicle is being sold strictly as is. It holds a salvage title under the owner's name and comes with a durable bed liner. While the roll-up bed cover is not included, the owner does offer a folding canvas bed cover that can be included with the truck.
Number 8.
1990 GMC 1500, price $6,800. It has approximately 182,000 miles on the body and features a new 355.7L V8 engine with around 100,000 miles. It is equipped with a manual transmission, supported by a new clutch and new fuel pump, ensuring smooth and reliable performance. The truck runs exceptionally well, with both the AC and heater functioning properly. Finished in red exterior paint with a matching interior, it sits on a Beltec lowering kit and comes with brand new tires from Walmart. The truck remains all original inside and out, aside from a few minor dings that were repaired years ago, none of which affect its drivability. Powered by gasoline, this clean and rust-free GMC includes an Arizona title in hand, making it a solid and dependable example of a well-kept classic pickup.
Number 9.
1995 Ford F150, price $2,200, equipped with a 5.8-liter engine paired with an AOD automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. It has approximately 215,000 miles on the odometer and features a burgundy exterior with a gray interior. The truck is a 2WD model and comes with electric windows, a working heater, and an AC system that requires a recharge, although the compressor is functioning. Recent maintenance includes a new battery, new alternator, new distributor, and new spark plugs. The tags are up to date, and it has already passed its smog check, with the pink slip on hand. However, the steering column will need attention or replacement. While the truck is far from perfect or mint, showing rust on the bed, fender, and cab due to its origin from the southern region, it remains mechanically solid.
Number 10.
1999 Chevrolet 2500, price $2,750. This truck has around 322,000 miles, an automatic transmission, a white exterior, a gray interior, and runs on gasoline. Despite its age, it's in good condition, with only normal paint peeling. It has manual windows and locks and is powered by a small block 350 with new spider injectors, running smoothly alongside the strong 4L80E transmission. Most of its mileage comes from highway commuting, and it still drives exceptionally well. Recent work includes new brakes, a new fuel pump, alternator, belt tensioner, and serpentine belt.
The interior is clean overall, though the driver's armrest could use replacement.
It also comes with a tow package and brake controller, making it ready for practical use.